What is up, YouTube? It is Semi-Perfect Cell here. Now, I tried to record me playing some Geometry Dash, but of course, didn't work. I don't know why it didn't work, it just didn't work. So we're playing Cat Mario, which is the version of Unfair Mario. Let's get it. And I already know what to do because I've seen gameplays on this. Jump over that. Bop. Jump over that. Okay. Okay. Jump. Bop. Right. And don't jump over this yet. And now jump over that. Bop. Okay. There we go. And pop! Oh. I'm supposed to bounce over here, right? Okay. I'm supposed to bounce over here. Oh, run. Alright. Darn it. Alright. Bounce and jump. Alright. I'm okay, guys. I'm just a little stuffy. Even though it looks like I don't have... Okay. There's a little hidden block right here. There we go. And jump. Alright. Just wait for that guy to fall. And jump for joy. Darn it. And jump for joy. No, whoa. That's gonna come down. Oh, shoot. Oh. Ooh. Doing good so far, but I know I gotta jump over the flagpole. And then... Oh, shoot. Oh, shoot. Jump. And jump. And jump. And get the checkpoint. Got it. I'm supposed to get up there, but how? Wait. Okay. Gotta jump over here, because there's gonna be a little hidden block over here. Don't ask how I know that. Alright. Oh, don't fall down. Get jump for joy. Oh, dang it. Alright, go here. And then go back. Yeah, jump for joy. Alright. Just inch your way. Or maybe you just... Ooh. Ooh. Dang it. Alright, we're gonna have to make a leap of faith for this one. Jump into it! No! See? Look. Trap. And just die. Just like Mario. But with a cat. Oh, checkpoint. Forgot. Jump. This seems a little bit like Unfair Mario, just because I can't jump on that freaking thing. It's like too freaking high. Alright, freaking game. Just die. Get down the dang hole. Fit in the... Alright. You know what? Okay. One more game. One more. And if I die, I swear to God, I will break. I don't know what I'll break. But don't you freaking... Where's the block? No, wait, where is it? Where is the block? Where is it? Oh, jump on it. Come on, make a jump of faith. Leap of faith. Jump for joy. Like it's an ice cream thing, like Goku from Team 4 Star. Come on. Return this to Snickers. That's a Corey Kitchen. If you don't know who Corey Kitchen is, please subscribe. I don't know how to leave a link, but I'll search it out. Okay, just try to make a jump for joy. That was easy. Don't touch the cloud. Alright. Alright, these things are gonna come. Go! Okay. Oh, you can't go any further. Go. Oh, God. Oh, okay. And look like they're sticking their tongue out at me. And don't die! Oh, my God! You know how long that took me to get there? Now I'm gonna, if I die, Alright, that, jump of joy! No! Just die. Just fall down the tight old hole. Huh? Oh, -1. Oh. We can still play then. Ha. Wait. Oh, shoot. And I'm not stopping this recording until I beat this dang level. Ah! I might actually stop this. Alright, I should have got some juice with me. Get the... That wasn't anything. I didn't say anything. I wasn't all... And I tried to record some Geometry Dash from Steam, but no. I got a little bit of footage of that. That was fun. It really wasn't fun. But just... And on phone, just get this dang phone out. All you. No, fall down the hole. Jump. All right. And if you touch that thing, I almost reached like imperfect cell on that one. One more, and if I die, I'm yelling as loud as I can. No! I'm done! Subscriber perish! I don't care, I'm stealing that! Get this dang game out!